In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail Auto Advance feature. Alright, so let's jump right in. The first thing I'm doing is opening Gmail and making sure I'm logged into my account. Once we're in, I'm moving over to the gear icon at the top right corner and clicking on Settings. That opens a quick menu, but we want to go a bit deeper, so I'm clicking on See All Settings to get the full range of options. Now that we're in the full settings menu, I'm going over to the Advanced tab. This is where Gmail hides a lot of useful features that aren't turned on by default, and Auto Advance is one of them. So I'm scrolling down a bit until I see Auto Advance, and here's where we can actually enable it. I'm selecting Enable, which tells Gmail that after I archive, delete, or mute an email, it should automatically move me to the next conversation instead of going back to the inbox. This is really handy if you go through a lot of emails at once because it keeps everything flowing smoothly without having to click back and forth all the time. Once that's done, I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page and clicking Save Changes. Gmail will reload with the new setting applied, and now Auto Advance is active. From here on out, when I finish an email and either archive or delete it, Gmail automatically opens the next one, making it super quick to process messages one after another. And that's really all there is to it. Enabling Auto Advance is just a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference if you want a smoother, faster email workflow. Once it's turned on, you can test it right away by going to your inbox, opening an email, archiving it, and seeing Gmail automatically take you to the next message. It's simple, but it's one of those features that once you have it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So to recap quickly, open Gmail, go to Settings, click See All Settings, go to Advanced, enable Auto Advance, and save your changes. After that, everything just flows much more efficiently as you go through your emails. It's really convenient, and once you get used to it, checking and organizing emails becomes almost effortless. And that's it for enabling Gmail's Auto Advance feature. It's a small change, but it can save a lot of time every day if you deal with a busy inbox.